In pharma and biopharma manufacturing, I hear two words all the time: qualification and validation. They sound similar, right? But trust me, they're not the same thing. Let's break this down so it finally clicks. First up, qualification. This is all about equipment, utilities, and systems. I'm talking about the physical stuff. The question I always ask is this piece of equipment installed and working exactly as it's supposed to? Qualification actually has its own steps. There's design qualification, making sure the equipment is designed for its intended use. Then there's installation qualification. Was it installed correctly? And of course, operational qualification. Does it operate the way it should? Let me give you a few quick examples. Qualifying a bioreactor before you use it for cell culture, a chromatography skid, the HVAC system, or even the purified water system. The focus here is always, does the hardware and the system do what I need it to do? Now let's talk validation. This is completely different. Here I'm focused on the process and the result. The big question: can this process, when I use it, consistently deliver a quality product? Validation comes in a few flavors too. There's process validation. Does my drug substance manufacturing process actually deliver the same quality every time? Cleaning validation. Is my equipment clean enough between batches? Method validation. Are my analytical test methods reliable? And computer system validation for all the digital workflows. It's all about consistency and reproducibility. I want to know, if I run this process again and again, do I keep getting good results? So, what's the difference? Here's the quick summary. Qualification is equipment-focused, while validation is process-focused. Qualification confirms that the system works. Validation confirms that the process is consistent. Qualification uses steps like IQ and OQ. Validation uses things like PPQ, cleaning validation, method validation. Qualification is often a one-time event with some periodic reviews. Validation is a life cycle. It's ongoing. How do they fit together? Qualification always comes before validation. I can't validate a process if my equipment isn't qualified. Think of it this way. Qualification is making sure the machine is ready to run. Validation is making sure the machine delivers a reliable product every time. Now, what do regulators expect? Agencies like the US FDA, EMA, and MHRA want to see solid qualification documents, validated processes, a risk-based lifecycle approach, and continuous monitoring. So remember, you qualify systems and you validate processes. Both are non-negotiable for GMP compliance and, most importantly, for patient safety.